In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your browsing data on Microsoft Edge browser. The first thing to do is click on this three dots button here at the top right corner and then click on history. Now you're going to see a screen that shows your entire history. You can just simply scroll down and search for what you're looking for. These are the dates. So you look out for what you want based on the date, or you can just simply search. Remember the site name of whatever you're looking for, just search it out here. What I like to do is click on this three dot button here and then click on open history page. Now you have an entire page containing all your history, probably from when you started using that particular browser, right? Now what you want to do is you can just scroll down, then look out for the particular stuff you're looking for, whatever that is. Look at the dates, the time range here. It's Friday, April 10, 2026. So you just look out for it, and by date you can find what you're looking for, or you can just search out the name of whatever you're looking for. Once you do that, you can just simply click on whatever you're looking for to open up the page. It's quite straightforward. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.